Hey YouTube, Fishsticks321, eating a popsicle, and on the phone with my friend Ashlyn. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes. Your mom's retarded. Oh, California girls.
Yeah.
Do you know what I like, Ashlyn?
What?
I like chocolate chip pancakes.
You want me to go make some stuff?
No?
Whoa.
No, I'm just kidding.
A little bit more there. Whoa. My head just got chopped off.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, did you just say it'd be sad if your head got chopped off?
No, I seriously chopped my head off.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, there's a cat outside!
Huh?
There's a cat outside. It's raining cats and dogs. I dropped my popsicle! Oh, and the stick. It's raining. I don't know if you can tell. No. Getting off the compooper, why? Oh, that's normal, I think. Ew, my foot's itchy. Oh wait, how is that ew? How's that ew, Ashlyn? I don't even know. She's crazy! Maybe now you can see the rain falling? Maybe now? Those are the hens crying out. What if like a giant waffle like terrorized the whole city? That'd be really sad. Don't you think? This video is kind of boring. I don't know what to talk about. Like, I thought it was going to be really cool because I was doing a vube while it was raining, but it's boring. So, comment and subscribe if you want me to keep making videos, because maybe you guys like to watch my boring videos. I don't know. I'm going to try to do more singing ones, but I can't sing. But people tell me I should, so I don't know. So, bye.